Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share about the intermediate full day diet plan. I start my day with a glass of water. Water always detoxify your body in the morning. So it is very important to start your day with water apart from caffeine. It's finished. I am going to have some soaked almonds. Here I soak these almonds overnight. Just peel the skin and you can have it. After this I will directly go for a walk. So every day I try to cover at least 7,000 or 8,000 steps in a day. So for monitoring that I use my watch for step calculation. You can use any app or your phone. There are lot of apps are available which provide how many steps you completed. So here I completed 6.54 kilometer, that is equals to 8,500 steps. So this much every day I walk in the morning. Now after completing my walk, now the time is 12 o'clock, 12 noon. So my first meal of the day is this dosa, and here I am using a whole egg in this because protein is very important in each and every meal. You have to include protein, and in the egg I am sprinkling some salt and black pepper. You can sprinkle any masala whatever you like. So here I am using olive oil, only 1 spoon. You should be conscious about how much oil you are using. There should not be lot of oil in your meal. So in every meal you have to use only 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil. Here I am using olive oil, so you can replace this with coconut oil also. And with this dosa I am here taking a 1 small bowl of moong dal sambar. If you want the recipe of this moong dal sambar, comment me below. I will share the recipe. After my first meal, here I am going to have my green tea. You can use any brand, Lipton or anything, whatever is available there. I am enjoying my green tea with a very beautiful weather. Today it's raining over here. Midday snack, that is I am having an apple. You can have any fruit whichever is available as per the season. This is my last meal of the day. Lot of green vegetable I chopped here for an salad, and here I am toasting 1 brown bread with egg white. Here I am using 2 egg whites for this and only 1 piece of bread. You can replace this with 1 chapati also. So this bread is convenient for me, so whatever is convenient for you, you can use. So 1 chapati without any oil you can use. Here I am sprinkling some salt and some black pepper, using extra virgin olive oil, and again half spoon I am using here. As I told you, protein is very important in your each meal, so you can replace this egg white with paneer. I don't have right now paneer, or you can replace it with tofu also. Paneer, tofu, egg white, you can use anything, but try to add protein. Protein is very important. In morning, the first meal also I had dal and egg white. Both are rich in protein. So this is my plate, and here I am taking some chai because without chai my day will not complete. So in morning I doesn't take any tea or coffee. So in the evening I complete my day with this tea. In this I am going to add 1 spoon of jaggery powder. You can use sugar also. If you are using sugar, then try to add only half teaspoon. And here I am enjoying my last meal of the day. And after this meal, the detox water I am making, you need hot water and jeera powder. You need to mix jeera powder in this hot water and need to drink sip by sip. Try to drink at least 2 liters water in a day. For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.